Bob's just going out to the lake and get the crab pots. Poor, there goes Max, he's chasing him too. I'll help you, Dad. I'll help you, Dad. Don't worry. There he goes. Still raining. Getting cold too. There he goes, he's got a crab pot there. It's a lovely spot here. It's a pity we have to move. Got his hat over the private area. Getting another crab pot. Sexy bum. Bringing them in now, bringing the crab pots in and covering the old fella up. Max is coming back to say, I've helped him, Mum. I helped Dad.
Oh, I got bloody shrimp and yellow perch fish.
Only got shrimp and
Bring it over here to show.
small perch. Oh.
Shine it in,
Wow.
don't leave it too fast, shine it. I'm going to need a bit dry.
Wow. We so were 3 times as big, we could have some for lunch.